Now let us look at the northwest corner rule. We will be dealing with a simple question that will make us understand what it is actually. The northwest corner method, it gives you a feasible solution, but it may not be the optimal solution. So what we do here, first thing that we need to do here is calculate what is available, the availabilities, and calculate the sum of the requirements also. And if we have the availability is greater than or equal to the requirements, in that case we can achieve a solution. If the requirements and the availabilities are equal, even in that case we can achieve a solution. But if the requirements are the requirements are greater than what is available to us, in that case we cannot attain a solution. So now let us take a look at this question. Here you can look at the quantities, the requirements here: 200, 225, 275, 250. These are the requirements, and 250, 300, 400. These are the what is available to us. So northwest corner rule says we start from the northwest corner and we start allocating. You can see here we have 250 available here. So starting from the northwest corner, we allocate 200 here, and what is left with us is 50. After that what we do, we move on to the next column. Because it is allocated here, we just cut it off and write 0, and after that we move on to the next column. Here we allocate 50, remaining 50. Now you can see here down that the requirement is 225. So because we have allocated 50 here, it becomes 175. We move on to the next what is available to us. We try to allocate it here. So after allocating 175 here, the allocation here is over, and what we are left with here is 125 is what is remaining. Then we move on to the next column. Here the requirement is 275, so we allocate 125 here, and after allocating 125, what is left with us is 150. Then we move on to the next quantity which is available to us. We allocate 150 here, and after that what is left with us here is 250. Finally we allocate the 250 here, and everything is over. This is how we solve with the northwest corner rule. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you like the video.